Have you ever wondered why lavender is so popular? Well, in this video by The Daily Eco, we delve into the science behind this amazing plant. So, let's get started. Properties of lavender. Ever wondered why lavender smells so calming? Tucked inside those purple blooms are special compounds like flavonoids and essential oils. These powerhouses are what give lavender its amazing benefits, like helping you relax, improve your mood, and even soothe your digestion. Let's explore how these work their magic in the following sections. Promoting relaxation and sleep. Renewed for its ability to promote relaxation, lavender can be a valuable tool in managing stress and anxiety. Studies suggest it might be particularly helpful for mild cases. Additionally, lavender's calming effect can extend to sleep, potentially improving sleep quality for those experiencing insomnia. Headache and migraine relief. Research suggests that lavender may be a valuable tool in managing headaches and migraines. Its properties may offer a natural alternative for those seeking to reduce their dependence on pain medication. Digestive support. Lavender's calming effects extend to the digestive system. It may help alleviate discomfort associated with bloating, gas, and mild cramping, promoting a smoother digestive process. Promotes skin health. Lavender possesses antiseptic properties that can help cleanse the skin and discourage the growth of bacteria. These, combined with its potential to promote wound healing, makes it a valuable natural remedy for minor skin concerns like acne and minor wounds. It can even offer relief from itching caused by insect bites. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. In which region is lavender considered native? South America, Europe, Asia, Africa? Think about it carefully, and at the end of the video, you can check if you were right. Lavender can be taken in many different ways. Let's see some of them. Lavender infusion. This is prepared with the flower in tubs or heads. For each cup of water, use a tablespoon, bringing both components to boil with a lid to avoid losing the essential oils. Remove from heat and wait 5 more minutes, also covered. Then it's ready to be filtered and drunk with the option of sweetening to taste. Hot baths. Enhance your bedtime routine with lavender. Steep 70 grams of lavender in 2 liters of boiling water and then strain. Add the infusion to your warm bath and soak in the calming aroma to promote relaxation and a restful sleep. Lavender oil for anxiety. Lavender essential oil is a popular choice for managing anxiety. To use it safely, dilute 3 drops in a carrier oil, either coconut or almond, and rub it on your skin. This calming blend can also be used in massage oil for muscle tension relief. It is also possible to use the essential oil in inhalations, where the essential oil is simply inhaled. Macerated. This method involves steeping a handful of lavender flowers in oil, either coconut or almond work well, for at least a month. Once strained, the resulting macerated oil can be used topically like essential oil, but without dilution. Tinctures and fluid extracts. Look for those pre-made options at health food stores. Contraindications of lavender. First, lavender may worsen constipation. If you struggle with this issue, it's best to avoid using it. Next, avoid lavender if you have allergies to any of its components. And finally, remember that lavender has hypotensive properties, meaning it can lower blood pressure. Lavender side effects. Consuming lavender internally may cause constipation and increased appetite. Monitor yourself closely to avoid these effects. Always dilute lavender essential oil in a carrier oil before topical use to avoid irritation. Undiluted essential oil can cause dermatitis and skin inflammation. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B. Lavender is actually native to the Mediterranean region. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you wish to continue learning about other beneficial home remedies, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And until next time.